shaking, team? You already know it's your boy Sir V, aka that OG. Just wanted to come and keep y'all in the loop on what's going to be my future movements with this HR swap. I just want to keep y'all in the loop on the pickups, the upgrades that I went with, and how I'm really looking to get this HR swap going and just really keep y'all in the loop. So you already know, lock and load, abuse VQ type shit. So team, first and foremost, let y'all know I'm definitely doing the HR swap. I'm actually looking at an engine from a 2018 Nissan Maxima. If I'm not mistaken, it has 45,000 miles on it. I fucks with it because the price is really in my range. It's under $2,000, so I could do that. That's definitely obtainable and acquirable. My probably next thing is to see about going to pick it up. It actually is in New York, so that's gonna save me a couple $100 on the shipping. But I'm just really debating on, do I really want to transport the engine down south? Because I will be doing the engine work at my mom's crib down in VA. So I really just want to make sure everything is copacetic and everything is all right in that interim, in that fashion. I'm looking into my header options, my clutch options, racing clutch, and my flywheel options. And going through all of that, I kind of narrowed it down to what I really want. What I believe I'm gonna go with as far as headers, I'm gonna go with the OBX headers, but they're for the Nissan Altima SCR. I think those should work. It's really not too much of a difference spec-wise between the body of the car length-wise, so it should really line up without a problem. That's what I'm looking to go for. Everything looks really good. The TIG wells look good. It got some really good reviews. They're a little bit different than the Manzo headers that are kind of like middies to shorties. These are somewhat long tube, just in the fashion of how it's elongated from the engine block. I do my best to put a picture up so y'all could get an idea of what I'm talking about. Thinking about getting into as far as my clutch options. I don't know if I'm saying this right, but Exity. I'm looking into the Exity Stage 1 organic racing clutch kit. If I'm not mistaken, that run about 500. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna try and get a picture in here as well. I picked that up already. That's actually on the way. I'm just waiting to receive it. I've heard some good things about it. I was running through a few, or had a quick conversation with my homie Eddie. If anybody knows about my guy El Guado and his supercharged 5th gen and 6.5 gen, and I believe he used to have a 4th gen. One of the gurus, man. He's been at this just as long as I have, and I really respect his feedback. So in talking and kicking a few things around with him, was talking about clutch options, and he gave Exity specifically for our year, make, and model, or the Maximas, that would be the best option. So that's what I'm probably gonna end up going with for my clutch option. The lightweight flywheel, the aluminum lightweight flywheel. What I'm thinking is, well, what I went with is, and I don't know if I'm saying this right, so please mind me if I'm mispronouncing it. Fedoza, lightweight aluminum clutch, flywheel. That really wasn't too bad. I believe that's like 400, but I actually caught it on a little discount, so it was a little under 400. So you know I'm always with saving money, baby, especially when it's coming to modding the Max and being able to put it towards something else. But that's the lightweight flywheel that I'm going to go with, being that, again, kicking it back and forth with Eddie and going on the 6gen.org and really looking up some of the best clutch and flywheel options. The Fedoza came up multiple times on the forum as one of the premier lightweight flywheel for our car. So that's what I went with. So just to make sure everything is taken care of, I didn't overlook anything, I I ordered my engine stand and the engine lift already. That's already down at my mom's house. So when I get down there, we'll end up putting that together so I can have that ready when it's time to start working on both of these engines. And I just want to make sure everything is taken care of. Make sure didn't leave anything out. I'm really not trying to get going on the HR swap and then run into any snags because I forgot to order, I forgot to pick up something. I know I got to get some Loctite. There's a few other things I need to pick up. But for the most part, besides the engine, most of the big shit is out the way, team. So you already know, I'm going to give y'all all the footage so we can stay in the loop. I can keep y'all in tune with how everything is coming along, just in case you want to do the HR swap yourself. It's your boy Sir V, aka that OG. Like, share, comment, hit that subscribe button. Stay locked in. Shit's about to go down with this Maxima. You know what I mean? Y'all thought I went bananas on my old Maxima, my 5-speed automatic. Woo! Shit about to get stupid on this one. Just something about this stick. That's 6-speed, man. Every drive is never the same, baby. I love it. So I can't wait for the upgrades to come through and I actually install those. Stay tuned, stay in the loop. It's your boy, man. Views VQ all the way. Your boy Sir V. Stay locked in. Until next time.